Can you have any fun with a low-spec, low-power computer? You know, I think it can. And I've done some revisions on Xbox 360 case computer. Like, I pulled out the GT 1030, cleaned up the wire some, and added a bigger CPU cooler. It still sports an MSI AM1 motherboard with an AMD Athlon 5350 quad-core 25-watt processor, with Radeon R3 graphics, 8GB of HyperX DDR3 RAM, 250-watt Pico power supply, with Windows 8.1 Pro. But the power adapter can only pull out at max 12 volts, 6 amps right out of the wall. Surely you can't do anything fun, can you? Let's see.
What we do here is go back.
If you didn't see the first video, don't worry, the link will be in the description, but here's just a quick look back of the build. Lots of stuff here in the BIOS, but not a whole lot useful, so I'm loading up a fresh OS, and will we play or have to quit? Although I am not sure about the price and supply of AM1 motherboards and prices these days, and I do know that there are some kick-butt Ryzen APUs out there that are still kind of pricey. But if you still have that old Red Ringer 360 lying around and a mini RTX to spare, it might be something to think about. Heat is not a problem with this well-ventilated case. The kiddo has been testing it for hours and hours, and at 2.10 GHz CPU power, we need not to benchmark.